2001 BMW 325i, battery issues. So let me show you. So key on, no, key in the ignition. So try to start. Yeah. When you hear that click, so don't be freaked out. First thing you need to check is your battery. Alrighty. I have my jump start. So this is positive wire. You can hook up your battery jump start in here, and for the negative you can pull here, or you can hook up here. Alright. That's the first thing you need to check. Hook up to positive wire. To the negative. Alrighty. So let's start the car. You can see the car is stopped.